Wise prepaid cards. Honest review. Watch before using. Most people get international payments wrong. They pay high fees, hidden exchange rates, and slow transfers. Wise prepaid cards are designed to fix that, offering multi-currency accounts and low-cost spending worldwide. The surprising truth is how much money you can save compared to traditional banks. You won't believe how convenient it is for travel, online purchases, and business transactions. Here's how it works. You load your Wise account with money in multiple currencies, and the prepaid card allows you to spend directly in those currencies at the real exchange rate. For example, if you are traveling from the UK to the US, you can pay with your card in dollars without expensive conversion fees. Wise also supports ATM withdrawals in foreign countries, making it ideal for travelers. The app tracks your transactions, sends instant notifications, and allows easy top-ups from your bank account. Most people get this wrong. They assume prepaid cards are limited or slow. Wise combines speed, transparency, and multi-currency convenience all in one card. However, there are considerations. ATM withdrawals and some currency conversions may have small fees. Most people assume free everywhere, but small charges can apply. In conclusion, Wise prepaid cards are perfect for travelers, freelancers, and anyone managing multiple currencies. They save money, simplify transactions, and provide a clear picture of your spending. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of financial tools and payment solutions.